Hello there guys and good day, it is Shane here at My Leisure Home. Very happy to be showcasing this beautiful end plot 2-bedroom at Willerby Manor. This holiday home comes sited with decking and a ramp access, as you can see at the exterior just there. And it's sited on the Barkham Manor, which is just on the outskirts of Skegness. And the site fees on here are just $2,700 for the full 12-month holiday season. And the price of this holiday home is just $41,997. We'll go have a look around the holiday home and the plot now. Okay, so as you can see, this Willerby Manor is really catching the sun at this time of day. And it's situated just there. You've got an electric point just outside there on the skirting of the decking. A double car parking space. And this lovely area just beside you here. There is also a fishing lake here on Barkham Manor, which is free for all owners. Your decking here, that's an 8-foot front with a 4-foot walkway, lovely skirting all the way down the side. And then you've got a gate just before your ramp, as we'll see in a second. Nice slabbed area here, and a slabbed area at the back where you can situate a shed for extra storage. So you've got a nice low gradient ramp where you come up and then enter your holiday home through the side door here. So as we come in, and I'm just going to zoom out a second so we get a proper view. So you come into this lovely vinyl flooring. As we pan round then, we've got your 4-seater dining room table just here next to the window. That beautiful view outside. A U-shaped kitchen with all your appliances in there. Okay, so you've got your 5-hob gas cooker. Grill and oven just below. Matte black extractor just above, and then you've got a stainless steel integrated microwave just here. Your sink's just here, with your window just above. General waste bin just in there as well. And as we come round, and loads of cupboard space, as you can see. Lots of storage. And then we've got your living room. Really, really good sized living room in this one. We've got sliding patio doors as well. So you lose no room on your decking. So you've got your 3-seater just here. Runs along this wall very nicely. Footstool here. And then you can put your television here on the corner unit. Or as always, you can wall mount it up where that mirror is. Beautiful electric fire just there. As you can see, it's got the flame effect on at the minute. Storage below. And then you've got a 2-seater snuggle sofa just there. As we go through to the rear of the holiday home then, we'll have a look at the master bedroom first. So you come down the hallway. And then just in here, we have your master room. And just look at the space on the right-hand side of the bed in this one. And all around this bedroom. So this is an ottoman bed, so it's got underbed storage. Reading lights with plug sockets and USBs either side of the bed. Plenty of overhead storage. Vanity table with mirror just here. A built-in large end wardrobe. And then a place to wall mount your television just up there. Great feature of this Willerby Manor is we've also got an ensuite toilet. With your basin just here. Mirror and storage behind. With your boiler cupboard with storage just there. Tucked away in the corner as well. And there's also a tower radiator in there. In your guest bedroom then, we've got 2 single beds just here. Plug socket with USB in the middle. Overhead storage. Place to wall mount a television. And your wardrobe just here with the mirror there also. As we go through to the bathroom then. So this is a master bathroom. So you've got your toilet here with your tower radiator. Shelving just here. A mirror with storage behind. Basin here. And then a huge end shower in this one as well. Okay, so again, this is a Willerby Manor. It's sited on the Barkham Manor on the outskirts of Skegness. Price at just $41,997, including the decking, skirting, and the holiday home itself. For any more information, contact Shane at myleisureHome.co.uk or call me on 01754 252 889.